Hello guys, my name is Beat Benz. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars monthly by doing three simple things. Alright, taking picture from somewhere, enhancing the picture and uploading it somewhere else to make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every month. It's going to be a practical one because I'll be sharing my screen with you shortly. You don't want to miss it. Taking you through the steps. Don't go away. Guys, welcome back. Like I mentioned earlier, I'll be teaching you how to make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every month by taking three simple steps. One is to get a picture from somewhere, enhance it, and the other thing is to upload it some other place in order to start making money every month. All right, you can see my screen right now because I told you it's going to be a practical session. I'm going to take you through the steps. All right, first of all, we need to ask ourselves, where are we going to get these images from? What kind of images are we getting? All right, the image we're getting will be from the public domain. All right, it's a public domain image. All right, basically about paintings, things about nature, arts, abstract painting and all of that. All right, so we need to get it from public domain images. Why public domain images? All right, we need to Google what public domain image is all about. So let's go to Google public domain image. All right, so this is it. Now, the term public domain refers to creative materials that are not protected by intellectual property laws such as copyright, trademark, or patent laws. All right, the public owns these works, but not an individual author or artist. Anyone can use a public domain work without obtaining permission, but no one can ever own it. All right, so with this in mind, you know that you're not going against any law. Nobody's going to sue you for using their material. Okay, so that is exactly what we're getting these images from, public domain images. So one website you need to look at to get this public domain image that I would recommend is rawpixel.com. rawpixel.com is actually where you get such images from. How do you do it? You go there, you see where you see the public domain right here. You see the free premium public domain. So this is where we're going to, public domain. All right, so here you might want to search for, let's say, abstract illustration. All right, you see a lot of results. Now these paintings are old paintings and most of them are dated back to like thousands or hundreds of years ago. So you're going to see a lot of them painted by famous artists. So a lot of them are right here, but they can be used. All right, they can be used. So what we need to do is just scroll through, look through what's the one that appeals to you, the one that you feel is lovely. If you're into art like I am, I love art. I love designs, things that are painted, painted art. I love it. I love to frame them, and you can actually take some of these and frame them yourself and just put in your house. Yeah, it looks really beautiful. You can see these paintings all really nice. So what we're doing right now is we need to choose one that we can work with. Okay, so from the look of all of this, I think I'm feeling, there's this one I saw up there. There's this one I just saw right now and I feel it's nice for us to use. Okay, let's look at this. All right, you can see that it's free. So let's look at this image. All right, see this image right now? It's a painting. All right, it's more like an oil painting. It's an oil painting, landscape bridge. It contains landscape bridge, Huntingdon Valley, and all of that. So I may just want to take landscape and bridge. All right, so let me just copy it. So what you need to do right here is you need to download it. Okay, so you need to download it. So free download. You download it. All right, so right here I have my images. So let me just bring it down so you can see clearly. I'm going to create another folder, just for this purpose. Okay, make money. All right, so now I'm going to save this image with this landscape and bridge oil painting. I'm just going to put it that way. Okay, let me save it here. So right now it has saved. We've saved that image. All right, Make sure you save it in high resolution. You can see this one is about 5,000, close to 5,000 by 4,138 pixel. All right, so it's quite high. But really, because these images are old, we need to enhance them. We need to make them look sharper. So what do? The website that I'll recommend for this is photofilters.com. So on this website, on this platform, what you do is you take that picture, you bring it right here, you click on open, and let's go to the image that we just got. Open. It takes you to go to the folder, take the image. It brings the image. You click on keep original. Okay, so it brings the image on this place. So the reason that we need to enhance it, like I mentioned earlier, is because the image, these paintings are old, and you can see the way they are. It's quite old, but we need to enhance it to look sharper, to look clean, to clean it up basically. So the next thing we need to go to filters. What we have to do here is autocorrect. So you select autocorrect 1. That's where you're applying autocorrect 1 to the image. So it will autocorrect the image, then click apply. Make sure to click apply. So when that is done, you can see that the image has even taken a new look already, like it's looking a bit sharper. And what we need to do is sharpen it a bit more by going to basic, and then you go to blur and sharpen. All right, you click on that, take the sharpen to 10. All right, it auto applies, and then you manually apply it as well. Then you apply it right here. Okay, so when that is done, what you need to do is save the image. All right, save the image as PNG. All right, all right, so I'm going to save the image in the same folder. All right, so the image is looking a bit cleaner. You can see it for yourself. Oil painting, really nice, and cool. You can actually take this image and frame it and have it on your wall. I love painting, and I'm actually thinking in that line. I love this painting. So basically, let's move on. All right, so the next thing you gotta do is upload it. I will show you where to upload it, so you guys need to stick around. Okay, I'll show you where to upload it, but first of all, we need to what's the site? Is Redbubble. The site is Redbubble, and then again, what's Redbubble? Why Redbubble? Why upload it there? All right, it's a site where you can upload stuff to, and then people come there, people visit the website, buy stuff, items like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and all of that stuff. So what they do is place your art on all of these items and ship it to these people. All right, so let's go and find out more about Redbubble. Redbubble has about 1,300 and something global ranking, and they are based in the US. The country ranking is about 721, which is great. It has about 29 million visitors monthly, on the average. You can see that there. Then for August, you could see their visits, 32 million in August, September 30.6 million, and October 29.6 million. So people are going to this site to buy stuff. They are going to this site, so they are likely to see your art. All right, they are likely to see your stuff and then buy them. So when they buy this stuff with your art on them, all right, you get commission. You get as much as 25%. You can imagine. So if the art is going for $100, you are getting at least $25 out of it. So the other one goes to this other, because they are the ones who print it and send to these people. Your work just stops at you uploading this art that is beautiful on the website. So let's go to Redbubble itself. Now this is Redbubble, all right. And if you're in any country, you can actually go here, and as long as you have your payment details where they can send your payments to all set up. Now let's log in, because I already have an account with Redbubble. My stuff is right there. So let me just log in. So I'm going to show you how to upload this image that we have enhanced, okay, on Redbubble, and you see how it works. So I'm on it already. I have an account with them. If you go under my account, you see if you go to the dashboard, you're gonna see, because if you open an account, you need to fulfill all of these things, these requirements, in order to start even posting stuff. You need to add up to 5 images. All right, now I've added about 13, not much at all. And you need to make sure you add an avatar, add a social link, add a bio, confirm your email, add your name and address, add payment details. All right, so I added my US bank account right here, so it's fantastic. So if you don't have it, Payoneer can actually, you can add Payoneer or your PayPal account right there. So you need to have a PayPal account or a US bank account in order to start getting on this. All right, so let's add this art that we've downloaded, that we have enhanced to it. So you click on add new work. It brings you to upload new work. You can click on upload new work. Now this is now let's select this PNG that we saved. All right, so this is it. All right, so it's uploading. We have to wait till it uploads. All right, while doing that, you can add your title, which could be what's that title again? Landscape and bridge. All right, bridge oil painting. All right, you can add tags like oil painting, separate them by comma, oil painting, illustration, digital art, t-shirts, t-shirt art, you could type in a creative design. Okay, paintings, art, illustrations. All right, so that's much as that. So the next thing you do is to add a description. A beautiful landscape and bridge arts, just come up with it. You can choose yours. That embodies hope and happiness. Has to be something nice. Okay, so with that, the next thing you do is go to the categories and select the appropriate ones. For this, I would select design and illustration, and painting and mixed media. So you can select up to 2. All right, now for this, you leave it that anybody can view it. While this is asking you if this is a mature content, of course it is not a mature content. All right, so you have to select this. You have to agree to the all right, that you have the right to sell products containing this artwork. All right, so it's upload complete. Basically, that's it. So when this is done, you would see that what it's doing right now is putting the products on the different stuff. All right, you can see it has put it on the t-shirt, put it on this and this, on the cap. It's looking nice, sitting well, and all of this. If you want to sell this, you can enable it, because by default it's disabled. What they're saying in essence is they don't think this image goes well with that item. So but if you feel you can edit it, you click on edit and position the image very well. But if you feel that from your own look it's looking nice, then you click on this to enable it. All right, so just like I did for this one. All right, you can see for different ones that are not enabled, means they will not be in the market for. Now this is phone cases and skins, stickers and magnets. All those ones are enabled. This is pillows and and print cards and posters, stuff. All of these have been enabled. Travel mugs, skirts. I think I should enable this because it looks well on it. Yeah. All right, for clocks. All of these items are for sale. Water bottles, You can see them. Wooden canvas mounted prints, it's not really looking well, right? It's not looking well on it. It's not covering it. So let's just disable it. Then for the mask, I think it's okay. It's looking okay. All right, so all right. No, it's not looking well. So as much as you can have, all right, these are other ones, but I would rather just go for the ones that we've selected. So the next thing you do is to click on save work. All right, so what it's doing right now is processing this work that you have uploaded. So it's going to do that very fast. Processing complete. So you can see that it's already on the website. All right, it's already on the website. All right, congratulations, your design is published. This might take up to 15 minutes to appear. You can add another design. So this is basically, you can see all of the product right now. Landscape and bridge oil painting. Now you can see all of the product outlined. This is actually what it looks like when people come to the site to buy anything. So they come here, they be like, wow, I love this t-shirt. I love the way this sits on the t-shirt. I want to buy this t-shirt. They buy it. And once they buy this, and Redbubble would produce the stuff and ship it to the people that want it, and you will get at least 25% of the commission, 25% commission from the sale each time anybody buys it. So you can imagine where you have 1,000 people buying your stuff on a daily, and you have like 200 products on your portfolio. And if you work in a day, just working let me say 10 hours in a day, you can have up to 50 products on there, 50 ads uploaded on your account. So it is fantastic. This is a new way, a new way to make money. You can make hundreds and if not thousands of dollars every month. So I've shown you how to do it. First of all, you get the image, all right, you download it, you come here, you enhance it. That's photofilters.com. You enhance it, and then you come to Redbubble, open an account with Redbubble, and upload it to Redbubble to start making money, guys. That's it. I told you from the beginning of this video that it's going to be a practical session taking you through the steps on how to get these things done. All right, you can see that I have my account already set up and I'm selling already on the website. All right, so you too can do the same. So go get it. Okay, if you are at this point here to subscribe to my channel, please do so. Subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new helpful videos on how to succeed online. Okay, and thank you for doing so. I'll see you in my next video. All right, bye for now.